Madam Boys, promised you it would come in, and here it is, the Grey Fergie update video. So last video that you saw, it was painting, and that was actually filmed, God, that was about 8 months ago when I did that. So obviously things have changed, lots changed, things have been up and down with the tractor, but I'll just show you what the tractor looks like now. Outside, under a sheet, I've just unsheeted it, so I'll go have a look at it now. So here is the tractor. As you can see, it's got no crank, no pistons, no head.
So no head?
Now, I'm sorry if it's windy, but I've still not got a wind cover and I'm trying my best to shield the camera. I need a new head because the head on this was cracked and knackered, and all the valves were pitted. So we're going to need to replace that. So we're going to need to get a new head. We've got a new gasket kit, so we've got all the gaskets. The block's fine. We're going to get the crank re-white metalled and machined, so the crank will be refurbished. New liners, everything, the whole engine kit. So basically it'll be a brand new engine. But we are still keeping the standard Grey Fergie engine in. You see there's the bits that I painted in the last video. Cheeky wheel. Looking good. See, so now more bits on the tractor look new than look old, which is what I'm happy with. You can see the bit we're focusing on. You can see all the bits that we've done. You can see the bits we're focusing on. And then obviously after we've done all this, it'll obviously be painted. And then it'll be good to go, really. Ready for shows. So that's where the tractor is at the minute. Obviously I'm going to get I think the zinc plated, or yeah, I think they are zinc plated. These nuts.
These nuts? Got him!
You see, these shiny wheel nuts. I don't know why this wheel's back on. We're going to put the proper wheel on. But yeah, going to get them zinc nuts all the way around. New back tyres are on the way. And unfortunately for me and my bank account, we need new rims, obviously. That's no good. So we're going to have to get some new rims and probably some new bolts. Obviously some new bolts, because these bolts are knackered. What else? Obviously here you can see the colour that we're going for. It's going to be that grey. So everything will be like that. I'm just really excited to get it done, to be honest with you. So yeah. That's where it is at the moment. I know a lot of you have been asking questions about it. We've been getting some really good comments. I've been quite happy with the comments. So yeah, keep commenting. Subscribe, because boys, I don't know what's going on, but I'm going to put a screenshot of my analytics up on the screen now. And it's high. There's a high percentage of people that are watching the videos that aren't subscribed. So what are you doing? If you're watching the video, you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button. We're nearly 1,000 subscribers. And when we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do something special. I think I'm going to do a giveaway, maybe some fireworks. I don't know. We'll see what happens.